Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Short Selection. Friends, I am Shivam Sharma, previously was in IDBI, now working in Bank of Baroda. In this video, we will do daily GK update of 28 August 2020. If you want this PDF and also daily quizzes, get attached to my WhatsApp GA group, link is in the pinned comment of video. Now let's start. HDFC plus Adobe. So HDFC has done partnership with Adobe. Actually Adobe software provide करती है, कंपनी है, to enhance digital experience of customers. So just remember HDFC plus Adobe to enhance digital experience of its customers. Smart Assist. Smart Assist is launched by Bajaj Allianz Insurance. Just remember Smart Assist Bajaj Allianz Insurance. RBI has done purchase and sale of government securities under open market worth how many crore? So it is 20,000 crore. So just remember RBI open market worth 20,000 crore. Healthy Body, Healthy Mind campaign for students is launched by Delhi. So Delhi government has launched Healthy Body, Healthy Mind campaign. Healthy body, healthy mind. COVID-19. Are children able to continue learning during school closure? It is a report by which organization? So it is UNICEF. So just remember COVID-19. Are children able to continue learning during school closures? It is a report by UNICEF. Visa plus innovative payment solution. So Visa has collaborated with innovative payment solution for installment platform for face-to-face transaction. So just remember Visa has done collaboration with innovative payment solution. It is for it is a payment solution platform. So installment platform for face-to-face transaction. So just remember Visa plus innovative. Flipkart plus Nepal's Sesto deal. So it is a company of Nepal. So Flipkart has done collaboration with it to open new market for MSME. So just remember Flipkart plus Nepal Sesto deal. Question will be asked like which company done collaboration with Nepal's Sesto deal to open new market for MSME. So it will be Flipkart. Umang. It is Unified Mobile Application New Age Governance. So just remember Umang full form, and it is by CSC, that is Common Service Center e-Governance. Association of Indian Football Coaches, that is AIFC, signed MOU with which countries coaches association? So जो इंडिया का एसोसिएशन है फुटबॉल कोचेस का, उसने ऑस्ट्रेलिया के जो कोचेस एसोसिएशन है फुटबॉल के, उसके साथ एक MOU किया है. इसमें दोनों जो कंट्री हैं वो फुटबॉल को बढ़ावा देंगे. महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा प्लस इजराइल बेस्ड REE ऑटोमोटिव टू डेवलप इलेक्ट्रिकल कॉमर्शियल व्हीकल. सो इलेक्ट्रिक कॉमर्शियल व्हीकल डेवलप करेंगे दोनों महिंद्रा ने किया है इजराइल बेस्ड REE ऑटोमोटिव के साथ एक कोलैबोरेशन, एक MOU साइन किया है. वेलाइप रामागोपाल. It is committee by government to review charter of duties of 57 DRDO, that is Defense Research Development Organization labs. So just remember Velayap Ramagopal Committee, charter of duties, DRDO labs. Mariake Lucas, he has got International Booker Prize for the book The Discomfort of Evening. So just remember both Mariake Lucas International Booker Prize and book name is The Discomfort of Evening. The IIT Alumni Council along with Roossoft and which university going to build the world largest and fastest hybrid quantum computer in India? So it is Moscow State University. It is of Russia. Moscow is the capital of Russia. So just remember Moscow State University and IIT Alumni Council of India has done collaboration for hybrid quantum computer in India. Software Technology Park of India plans to set up how many center of excellence this year? So in 2020 it will set up 21 center of excellence. Software Technologies Park of India. Arnold Spielberg, he died. He was computer designer. So just remember Arnold Spielberg, I think S is silent. Arnold Spielberg died. He was computer designer. Just remember it. Now static from current. Pulikali Fort Art. So Pulikali folk art is of Kerala. Hirakund Dam. It is on over Mahanadi River in Odisha. BRICS 2020. It was in Russia, and BRICS 2021 will be in India. So this was the news for today. If you like the content, please like the video, and thanks a lot.